And welcome back. Athletics news first up. With a decision still pending on the Brianna Williams anti-doping hearing, local track and field's governing body, the J3As, is being taken to task by veteran coach Stephen Francis over her selection to the World Championship team. This after testing positive at the national trials in June. Kian Reyna reports from Doha.
This is TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.
The veteran MVP track coach Stephen Francis did not mince words regarding the selection of Brianna Williams to the team here in Doha subsequent to her positive test.
The IAF has an anti-doping rule for 2019, and in Section 9 of that rule it clearly states that once there is an in-competition test and you turn up with a positive A and B sample for a banned substance, you are immediately disqualified. Your results are disqualified, and the results of any hearing which deals with punishment, it doesn't matter.
TVJ Sports sought an immediate reaction from Jamaica's head coach here in Doha, Maurice Wilson, who is also a member of the J3A's selection committee.
Well, the information is universal, you know. It is not hidden. It is there for everyone to see. So the J3As would have made a strategic decision on their path to include her in the team.
It would, I think, would have had a lot less problems if somebody had read the rule and found out that.
In my opinion, I think it is just a little bit more than, I think they are thinking about the youngster. And so they would have made that decision. Our job on the ground, we are the technical persons, and the persons who are here and present themselves, we work with those persons. And that is what I have to say on that issue.
Williams' coach Otto Bolden declined to comment on the matter when contacted by telephone here on Wednesday. Coach Francis also suggested that another athlete could have been considered for the relay pool in Williams' space.
Even if you were going to add her to the relay pool based on the time that she ran in New Mexico or Mexico, wherever it was, Cara Grant, after this is finished, is the national junior record holder who ran faster than her. So she, I think, would be somebody who you'd have to say first, oh, we want an extra person, are you available? Because all the time that she ran at the Jamaican trials are null and void.
Reporting from the 17th IAAF World Championships in Doha, I am Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.
That was TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.